Hey everyone! Welcome to the Photography Masterclass. Are you tired of taking average shots that never seem to capture the true beauty of the moment? Whether you're new to photography or just looking to improve your skills, we've got you covered. Join us as we teach you how to take your photography to the next level. We will take you through a journey of learning photography, from the basics of camera settings to the finer points of post-processing and editing. Get ready to turn your snapshots into works of art. Buckle up, it's going to be an exciting ride. Our series of videos is designed to take you from a beginner to an expert in the field of photography. By watching the entire series, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of the subject, master advanced techniques, and be able to create stunning photos that you can be proud of. Throughout the course, you'll learn about different camera types, exposure settings, composition techniques, and editing tools. We'll start by covering the basics of aperture, shutter speed, and ISO, and how they work together to control the amount of light that enters the camera. You'll learn how to use manual mode to take full control of your camera and create the images you envision. We'll also cover the various types of lenses and their uses, as well as how to choose the right lens for the shot you want to capture. Understanding the different focal lengths, aperture ranges, and image stabilization capabilities of lenses will help you to make more informed decisions about the equipment you use. In addition to the technical aspects of photography, we'll also cover the artistic side of photography. You'll learn about the elements of composition, such as the rule of thirds, leading lines, and depth of field, and how to use them to create visually compelling images. We'll also discuss the various types of lighting and how to use natural and artificial light to create stunning images. You'll learn how to use flash, reflectors, and other lighting tools to control light and create the perfect exposure. Post-processing and editing are an essential part of photography, and we'll cover the basics of how to use software like Lightroom and Photoshop to enhance your images and bring out their full potential. You'll learn how to adjust color, contrast, and exposure, as well as how to remove unwanted elements from your photos. Throughout the course, you will also be given examples that will help you to improve your photography skills. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid understanding of photography and be able to take beautiful, well-composed photos that you can be proud of. This course is designed for anyone who wants to improve their photography skills, whether you're a hobbyist looking to capture better photos of your family and friends, or a professional looking to take your photography to the next level. The course is self-paced, so you can work through the material at your own speed. By the end of the course, you'll have a deep understanding of the basics of photography, and be able to use your camera to take stunning images with confidence. You'll also have a strong foundation in post-processing and editing, and will be able to take your images to the next level. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you in the first video of this series.